Black holes are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. These cosmic phenomena are created when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycle. The result is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what would happen if you fell into one of these cosmic giants? Let's explore this step by step. First, imagine you are in space, approaching a black hole. At a safe distance, you'd notice its event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. This boundary isn't a physical surface, but rather a point of no return. If you cross it, you're trapped forever. Surrounding the event horizon, you might also observe a bright disk of gas and dust, called the accretion disk. As this material spirals toward the black hole, it heats up due to friction and emits intense radiation, making it one of the most luminous objects in the universe. As you draw closer, the first thing you'd feel is the immense gravitational pull of the black hole. This force isn't uniform. It's much stronger closer to the black hole than it is farther away. This difference in gravity is called tidal force, and it would stretch your body in a process known as spaghettification. If the black hole is small, this process would happen even before you reach the event horizon, and the tidal forces would likely tear you apart. However, if the black hole is supermassive, like the ones found at the centers of galaxies, the tidal forces near the event horizon are weaker. This means you could theoretically cross the event horizon without immediate harm, though your fate is still sealed. Once you've passed the event horizon, there's no turning back. At this point, time and space behave very differently from what we experience on Earth. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the intense gravity of a black hole warps space-time. From an outside observer's perspective, it would appear as though you are slowing down as you approach the event horizon, eventually freezing in time. However, from your point of view, time would feel normal as you continue to fall deeper. Inside the event horizon, the gravitational pull becomes so overwhelming that it's impossible to escape, even with the fastest speed in the universe, light speed. Here, the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. You'd continue to fall toward the singularity, the very heart of the black hole, where all its mass is concentrated in an infinitely small space. The singularity is a point of infinite density, and scientists are unsure what actually happens there. Current theories can't fully describe the physics at such extreme conditions. While you'd never survive the journey to the singularity, it's intriguing to think about what might lie beyond. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe, or even to parallel universes. Others propose that the singularity could compress you into a point, effectively erasing your existence. However, these ideas are purely theoretical, as we have no way to test them. Interestingly, if someone were observing you from a distance, they would never actually see you fall into the black hole. As you approach the event horizon, time dilation, caused by the extreme gravity, would make it appear as though you are moving slower and slower. Eventually, you'd fade away as the light from your body becomes red-shifted to wavelengths beyond visibility. In the end, falling into a black hole would be a one-way trip with no return. It's a journey into the unknown, where the very fabric of reality is stretched to its limits. Black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries of the universe, and while we can theorize what might happen if you fell into one, the truth is, no one knows for sure. They are cosmic enigmas, reminding us how much we still have to learn about the universe and its many wonders.